Each of these planes earns top honors for its unique characteristics, whether it's for carrying the heaviest payload, boasting the longest wingspan, or having the most extended fuselage. This is a 2025 update. Antonov and 124 Ruslan, recognized as the largest commercial and military cargo plane currently in service. North American XB-70 Valkyrie, renowned as the world's largest supersonic aircraft. Boeing 747-8F, acclaimed as the world's largest commercial air freighter. Hughes H-4 Hercules, famously known as the Spruce Goose, holds the title of the tallest airplane in the world, standing at an impressive 79 feet 4 inches. It is also celebrated as the largest flying boat, seaplane, ever built. Airbus A380-800, known for having the highest passenger capacity, accommodating up to 853 passengers, though typically configured for 575. It also holds the record for the highest maximum takeoff weight, reaching 1,267,658 pounds. Scaled Composites Model 351, Stratolaunch Rock, holding the title of longest wingspan airplane in the world, 385 feet. Also holding the title of possible external payload up to 550,000 pounds. Antonov and 225 Maria, holding 3 titles in this category, biggest payload 420,000 pounds in the world of aviation. Highest max takeoff weight 1,410,958 pounds. It is also the world's longest airplane, 275 feet 7 inches.